Hi guys, how's it going? It's Marky. Guys, I just wanted to show you some of the Johnny Lightning import heats from my collection. I've been buying a few of these, and this is the newest one I just picked up. A really nice looking MG. It's a 1963 Mg Mgb. And this one is release 3. It's a really cool series of import cars. Let's see. Comes with a lot of packaging. Oh, check this out. This one comes with a card. Right-hand drive, import heat, number 3. And these are the cars you can find in this series. Now, I saw all these at the store. They were at Target. They just had these at Target. And the only one that was missing was the Ford Pinto. Everything else was there. Let's get him out of the package here. It does have like a opening hood. There we go. So we can see the engine is nicely detailed. It has some paint in there, some silver spots there, some chrome, little black area up here. Very cool to have an opening hood. And we do have a really cool badge in the front with the MG. And the grille painted in very nicely. We do have the paint on the bumper. The lights in the corners. This light's a little bit funky. This one looks a little better. And this one has like plastic wheels. So it should roll much better, but this wheel feels a little tight. Yep, it's not rolling very well. This wheel's kind of like stuck. I could feel it, that it's not moving. I don't know, maybe I gotta mess with it a little bit. But it does have a metal body and metal base. Copyright 2000 on this one, plain mantis. And here's the exhaust heading towards the back. Right there. Do have something stuck on here. This looks like might be glue remnants, I don't know. I think lately they've had some issues with quality control at round 2 with the Johnny Lightning cars. So they went with the plastic wheels on this one. Do have some really nice rims on it. The color is amazing. I mean, when you look at it just like this, it's fine, but it's not gonna really roll very well. But displays really nicely. The hood doesn't seem to close completely tight. That's a little better. And does have a black interior. Again, that right side driver. A little bit of a defect there on the steering wheel. We do have the top rolled back. Separate bucket seats, a nice console in the middle. We do have some sun visors molded right into the glass. And the windshield wipers are also molded in the glass. Little vent right there. I love the racing stripes. Those are really nice. Number 21 looks really cool. The sponsors on the side look really awesome. The MG name, champion, everything looks cool. The flag, number 21 on the door looks good. We do have that nice stripe down the side here. And we do have the handle painted over in a nice silver color and the keyhole as well. And on the back here, we do have the nice lights. They look very good. We do have the MG logo on the trunk there. Number 21. Very cool. It's very heavy. That it is. It does have a lot of metal on it. But the scale, I don't know. The scale looks a little big to me. Like I would expect that if it was a 164, it doesn't show the scale on it. It would probably be smaller. Seems to be pretty big. Let me grab like a Hot Wheels to see the difference. See right there. This is a Nissan. This one is a Nissan Skyline R30. And you can see that MG would have been a lot smaller than this Nissan. So it looks a little big to me. I don't know. It looks a little bit too big. Let me see, what else do I have? Maybe next to this one it'll look all right. Here's a panel truck. Still looks too big. This panel truck should be much bigger than this little MG. So the scale looks a little bit far away from a 164. And it is a pretty glossy color in red, and it does have like a nice look to it. But when you put it next to other cars, it might look a little weird being so large. Let's see, we do have some of the other imports that I've collected. You may have seen these already, but here's the Datsun 280ZX and the 1982 Mazda Rx7. And this one here is a new casting, the Rx7. Let's see how the Rx7 looks next to it. And this Mazda. I mean, the Mazda and this Datsun. Let's see how they look. Yeah. It looks too big, that MG. I thought it had a really nice look, but I knew right away that the scale looked kind of on the big side. But there it is. These are all from the same series. I think they should match the scales when they're going to be in the same series, because you want to display them together. It just looks way oversized. You see that? They just look like they don't match. Looks kind of big to me. Let me know what you think about it. Let's see. I have another from the series, the Import Heat, the Mazda in a different color, and then the Datsun in a different color. Let's see how they look. They're the same casting, so it's going to be the same thing. So I just want to show all the imports that I have picked up lately, so you can see what they look like all together. Definitely a little big for that MG right there. Yeah. And let me see, are these marked with the scale on them? I don't see any markings for the scale on this one. And doesn't look like there's any markings here. Yeah, don't see any markings on those two right there. And these are the same castings. These are just the same one in a different color. But these are really nice looking though. Really cool. Really cool. Mazda Rx7. And these are 1982 castings of 1982 cars. Very cool. These are nice. You could probably still find these. These have been out for not too long. And here's the Datsun. Which looks really cool. And here it is in silver and blue. Same one, same car, same casting. Just different colors. Really cool. Really cool Johnny Lightnings. I mean, they're pretty cool. Just, you know, I want you to be aware of it if you're buying them, that you might have difference in scale sizes. They don't keep them all accurate. Now, their sister company, Auto World, is keeping everything true to 164. Well, that's pretty cool. Definitely, this one does not have wheels that are rolling or moving well. This one does move in the front, pretty cool. And let's see what's going on with this one. See, this one's not moving. I don't know what's going on with these. Only one wheel seems to be working. Yep. Can't get them to roll. So that's one flaw, guys. Johnny Lightning round 2, you got to work on that. We want cars that can roll. And we wish that the scales would match. 164, that just doesn't look right. Look at that. It looks enormous next to that little Mazda Rx7 compared to an MG. The MG should have been a lot smaller. Wow. That's just so strange, right? Now, I hope I'm right, but I imagine that the MG is much smaller than a Mazda Rx7 and then a Datsun 280ZX. Let's see how it looks next to the Datsun. Look at that. Yeah, when you compare them like this, the top view, look at that. Let's check again with the RX-7. So this was the Mazda. Let's check the Mazda and the Datsun. How do they look? I would say that's about right. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up on the video. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Got lots of diecast cars showing you all the time. More than 1,000 videos on my channel. So please subscribe and come back. I'll see you guys in the next video.